Hi everyone, this is Mrs. V Chan. Welcome to my Form 2 Math Lesson 8, and today is 6th of March 2020, and the topic we have sum of exterior angles of a polygon. Alright, okay, so now here this is a triangle, and then not only we have A, B, C, these are interior angles, but we also have the exterior angles A1, B1, C1. All right, so let's look at this. What is A plus A1, which is equal to 180? Is that right? And the reference is adjacent angles on straight line, right? And also, what about B and B1? Same. B plus B1 is also same as 180, and C plus C1 is also 180 by the same reference, 180, right? So therefore, if we link them all up, A plus A1 plus B plus B1 plus C plus C1 will be equal to 180 times, how many 180 here? We have 3. Okay, now since we focus on, in this chapter, we focus on sum of exterior, so that we put this A1, B1, C1 is our subject. So A1 plus B1 plus C1 is equal to, so this is 180 times 3. Okay, so 540, and then minus, okay, so A, B, C move to the right hand side, so I will have A plus B plus C, right? Okay, so therefore, what is A plus B plus C? This is exactly the sum of interior angle of a polygon, so that is 540. This is a triangle, and triangle has 180 as the interior sum of interior angles. So finally, 540 minus 180, which is 360. Okay, so therefore, what is it? The sum of exterior angle of a triangle is equal to 360. Okay, next, let's count how many sides do we have in this diagram. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is a quadrilateral. Okay, so look at this. If we add them all up, so A, A1, B, B1, C, C1, D, and D1, so which will be equal to 180, because this is adjacent angles on straight line. So how many 180 we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So times 4. All right. So now we want to work out exterior angle. So this are the exterior angle we have. So A1 plus B1 plus C1 plus D1 is equal to, okay, 180 times 4. So that is 720 minus, okay, I have A plus B plus C plus D. All right, so, okay, and what is this A plus B plus C plus D? This will be the total interior angles of a quadrilateral. So that would be 720 minus, okay, remember the formula we learned in the previous chapter. So quadrilateral, 4 sides minus 2 times 180. Okay, so therefore it will be 720 minus 2 times 180, so which is 360. Okay, okay, so next we have a pentagon here. Pentagon means how many sides? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 sides. So if we add them all up, so how many adjacent angles on straight line? 180 is 1, and then there are 5. Okay, now I want to pick this exterior angle, so that would be A1 plus B1 plus C1 plus D1 plus E1, and then I have 180 times 5, so that is 900. Okay, so minus the total or the sum of interior angles of pentagon, so A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Okay, so do you agree with me? Okay, so next I will have 900 minus, so this is angle sum of a pentagon. So by using the formula, so 5 sides minus 2 times 180. So this is angle sum of a pentagon. So the final answer will be 900 minus 3 times 180. Oh, it is also same as 360. So let's take a look here. Sum of exterior angle of triangle, 360, and quadrilateral, 360, and a pentagon is also 360. So if you follow this pattern, the conclusion here, sum of exterior angles of polygon is always equal to 360. Okay, and what is today's reference? Which is sum of EXT dots, angles of polygon. Alright, so this is the main thing in this chapter. So the reference is sum of EXT dots, means exterior angles of polygon, and which is always equals to 360. It doesn't matter how many sides are there. Okay, example 1. Find the unknown or unknowns. Alright, so here is the diagram for part A. Okay, let's take a look. Now this is 75 and X and 120. So you can see I'm going anti-clockwise. Follow the direction. Okay, so now we have to find X, and X is outside. 120 is also outside, so we call this what? Exterior angles. Okay, so that would be X plus 120 plus 110 plus 75, which is equal to, how many sides are there? 4 sides, but it doesn't matter how many sides. Okay, based on sum of exterior angles, which is equal to 360, and today's reference, sum of exterior angles of polygon. Okay, right, I change subject to X and find the unknown X. So 360 minus 75, oh sorry, again 360 minus 75 minus 110 minus 120, so that is 55. Okay, so again let me highlight today's reference, which is this, sum of exterior angles of polygon, which is always equal to 360. All right. Okay, so next we have this diagram, and however X is inside instead of outside, so therefore we need another step to find the exterior angle first. All right, are you ready? So this is 178, and let me say this is Y, for example. Okay, and see, I'm doing clockwise this time, so 178 Y. However, this is not, if I extend, follow the direction here, this will be the exterior angle, so this is same as 72. Okay, so what is the reason? Remember that this is vertical, oh sorry, this is vertical opposite angles. All right, so this is 72 and 70, so we must go and follow the direction, same direction. All right, so that would be, I need to find Y first, so Y plus 72 plus 70 plus 100 plus 78, which is exterior, so total of exterior, sum of exterior is 360, so the reference is sum of exterior angles of polygon. Okay, now Y is here, so what is Y if I use formula? 360 minus 78 minus 100 minus 70 minus 72, so Y is equal to 40. All right, but not yet, because according to the question we have to find X. Now we can join X and Y together, which is equal to 180. Okay, what reference here? So that would be adjacent angles on straight line. Okay, so I do substitution, so 40 is 180, so therefore x is equal to 180 minus 40, so x is equal to 140. Okay, so this is how we use sum of exterior angle of polygon to find the unknown here, but remember you must follow the direction, and this time it is doing clockwise direction. Okay, so diagram C here. All right, so we have two unknowns, that is x and y. Okay, so let us find x first here. So how to find that? And then we're also given two parallel lines here, and then this is 2x. So how do we link this together? So the first thing is, what about this angle? So let's name this angle as angle EDC plus 2x is equal to 180, and the reference is also adjacent angles on straight line. Okay, I change subjects, so therefore angle EDC is equal to 180 minus 2x, is that right? So here I have 180 minus 2x. And how about this angle and this angle x here? They must be the same. Okay, and what is a reference? Okay, so, and then angle AE, okay, AE what? We don't know the name here, so let's name it A, B, C, D, E. Okay, let's say this is F. So AEF, all right, will be same as this angle and this angle, same as angle EDC. All right, so therefore AEF here is our x, and EDC is 180 minus 2x. All right, so therefore, so this is minus 2x moved to the left hand side plus, so x plus 2x is 3x, same as 180. So therefore, what is x? X will be equal to 60. Okay, so therefore x is 60, so I have 60 here for x. Okay, let's go through the exterior angles. So this is 60, this is x and y. Okay, so go this way, so this is another right angle, this is right angle, and go this way, this is 39 because of vertical opposite angle, and this is 2x. So therefore, to join all the exterior angles together, so x, y, 90, 39, and 2x, which is 360, because sum of exterior angles of polygon is always same as 360. Okay, so now my subject is y, so this is my y, and then equals to 360, okay, minus 90, minus 39, and minus how many x here? So x, 1x and 2x, so that would be 3x. Okay, so what is x? So 360 minus, okay, no, let me stop here. I'll stop here. Okay, let me, okay, finish this part first. So that is 360 minus 90 minus 39, which is 231 minus 3. And just now, we worked out x before, which is 60, so I put 60 here for substitution. Okay, so the final answer, minus 3 times 60 for y is 51. Okay, so this is how we use sum of exterior angles of polygon. Okay, again, let me highlight this, today's reference, to find the unknown. All right. Okay, so now we have example 2. So the information is, find the size of each interior angle of the following regular polygons. Okay, what does mean regular? Regular means all sides, they are the same. All right, now we have a regular hexagon. So this is important. Do you remember how many sides are there? Hexagon means we have 6 sides. Is that right? Okay, so we can let n be the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, so what is the total? The total is always equals to 360. All right, and how many sides are there? So we have hexagon means 6 sides. So therefore, what is n? This is n. Okay, so that would be the total 360 divided by 6. So 360 divided by 6. So that would be 60. Okay, so example 2. Okay, we have this information. Find the size of each interior angle of the following regular polygons. Again, what is meaning regular? Regular means all sides are the same, right? Now here it is a regular hexagon. So what is a hexagon? How many sides are there? A hexagon means we have 6 sides, so that is same as 6-sided polygon. And now we have to find the size of each exterior angle. Okay, so what about the total? It doesn't matter how many sides are there, the total of exterior angles is always 360. And how many angles are there? Hexagon, 6 sides, so we have 6 angles. So the size for each one will be 360 divided by 6. So this is the answer. Okay? Alright, now regular 20-sided. Okay, so the size of each exterior angle is the statement. Alright, anyway, it doesn't matter how many sides, 20-sided, whatever, hexagon or octagon, whatever, the sum of exteriors is always equal to 360. Okay, so 20 sides means we have 20 angles, so divided by 20. So that would be 360 divided by 20. So each side is 18 degrees for this exterior angle of 20-sided polygon. Okay, so next one, part B. In a regular polygon, if each interior angle is bigger than each exterior angle by 132, find the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, so this is about number of sides, so don't mix up about the size here. The size here in part A is about how big is the angle, and here means what? How many sides are there? Alright, so let me set this. Let n be the number of sides. Okay, and I have the set equation, and which is equal to 132 means each interior angle. All right, so what is sum of interior angle? So that is n minus 2 times 180. So this is sum, and then now I just want 1, so divided by n size, okay, which is bigger than each exterior. So what is total for exterior? Which is 360, no matter how many sides are there. But now I just want 1, so divided by n. Okay, so this is the equation I set. All right, so this is each interior, this is each exterior. Okay, the difference is 132. Okay, so look at this fraction. I already have n and n as denominator, so therefore I can combine them together. Okay, and that would be n minus 2 times 180 minus 360, and n, can I move this n to the right hand side? Yes, that would be 132 n. Okay, and then expand this, so that would be 180 n minus, so expand this in this way. So 360 minus 360, so I have 132 n. Okay, and then I move all n with the one with n on the left hand side, so that is 180 minus 132, so 180 minus 132, so that is 48n equals to, so 360 on the right hand side plus and 360, so that is 360 2 times, so 720. Okay, so almost there. So and then divided by 48, so 15. So the answer is 15-sided polygon will give us this condition, saying that each interior is bigger than each exterior by 132. Okay, so we have the last example before we finish this chapter. Here is the diagram, and the information is ABCD is a regular pentagon, so 5 sides we have, and AB produced and DC produced intersect at X. So AB is here. If we extend it to X, And then DC is here. If we extend it to X, since this is a regular polygon, so AB same, DC same, so therefore BX and CX must be the same. So what is it? Then we have an isosceles triangle here. Okay, what do we need to find? Find angle BXC. So can I say this is theta? So later on we have to find theta, right? Okay, so here is the isosceles triangle. And what about this angle? This angle is also the exterior angle of this pentagon. Do you agree with me? So I name this as angle BCX, which is equal to each exterior angle. So the total of exterior angle is 360. Now I just want 1, so divided by 5 to get 1. All right, so 360 is what? 360 is sum of exterior angles of polygon. Okay, so therefore, what is BCX? So that would be 360 divided by 5. So that is 72. Okay, since this is isosceles triangle, therefore this angle, okay, so angle CBX will be same as angle BCX, which is same as 72. Okay, what is the reference here? That is base angles, comma, ISOS dots triangle, isosceles triangle. Okay, so finally, almost there. This is theta. So I can make angle BXC plus this one and this one. Okay, plus angle BCX plus angle CBX equals to 180. Reference. Angle sum of triangle. Okay, so this is the subject we have to find, which is same as theta. So angle BXC plus 72 plus another 72 is 180. Okay, finally, angle BXC is equal to 180 minus 72 times 2. There are 2, so which is 360. Okay, so this is example in part B. And finally, there is another one. Okay, here we come to the last example. All right, information. ABCDE is parts of a regular polygon. All right. And then we don't know how many sides are there, so that we have to find how many sides are there in this question. And saying that AB produced and DC produced intersect at P. So this is the part of the polygon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if we extend this DC and AB, okay, to P, so we will get P here. So since this is regular, so that means this side and this side being the same. So we can say that this side and this side being the same. Therefore, we have another isosceles triangle here. Okay, and if angle BPC, so where is BPC? So BPC is here. So we are given this, which is equal to 120. And now we need to find how many sides of this polygon. So how many sides are there? Okay, are you ready? So let's look at this. So, and then what do you think about this angle and this angle? All right, this angle and this angle should be the same, right? Okay, what is the reason? So can we say that this is X? Okay, so therefore the steps will be in triangle, okay, CPB, we have angle PCB same as angle PBC equals X, and the reference is base angles, comma, ISOS, isosceles triangle. All right, now after that, I can link these three angles together, plus angle PBC plus angle this one, BPC is equal to 180, is that right? So, which is what? Angle sum of triangle. Okay, now I can do substitution. This is X, this is also X, this is given to us equals to 120. So therefore I have 2x, move this to the right hand side, that is minus. Okay, so therefore what is x? X is equal to 30. So here x is equal to 30. All right. Okay, and then what do we need to find here? Find the number of sides of the polygon. So how many sides are there? Okay, so let's n be the number of sides. Okay, and here is 30. And 30 is also outside the polygon. So I can say 30 is one of the interior, sorry, this is exterior angle. So I put 30 here. 30 means each interior angle of this polygon, and then I don't know how many sides are there, right? And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how many sides are there. The total is always 360. So this is again sum of exterior angles of polygon divided by n sides. I don't know, so which is equal to 30. So I can set my equation in this way to find n. So that would be 360 divided by 30. So n is equal to 12. Okay, and here it is a 12-sided polygon to give us the condition in this question. All right, so thank you for watching my video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.